Okay, sorry about that, having these two different videos, but had to do it. So here we go. Let's factor another one. 2m squared minus 11m plus 15. Again, we have a, I'll do this in green. We have an A, so we have to look for the G, C, F. 2, 11, and 15. No common factor there. M squared, M, and no M. There is no common factor. So again, this is AC method. 2 times 15 is 30. That's my new number. B is negative 11. Factors of 30 that make negative 11. 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 4, no, 5, and 6. And that's all. This is positive. Plus, plus, or minus, minus. We look at the B. Minus means minus, minus. And I'm looking for a middle term of negative 11. That's negative 31, negative 17, negative 13, negative 11. There it is. AC method, though, break it up. 5m, 6m. So we rewrite 2m squared minus 5m minus 6m plus 15. First 2, second 2. 2m squared minus 5m, we pull out the common factor of m, leaving 2m minus 5. Bring down the negative. 6 and 15, you can pull out a 3. And now when you divide, you're dividing by a negative 3, which is going to change your signs. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and it turns positive now. 2m. 15 divided by negative 3 is negative 5, and there's that repeating factor. 2m minus 5 comes out, goes away both times, m minus 3 right there. Okay, and then let's slide over here. X squared minus 4. There are two terms here only. There is nothing in front of x squared, and there's no x here, so no common factor. So now look at x squared. X squared is x squared. What about 4? 4 is 2 squared. This is a difference of perfect squares. 2 parentheses, x and x, 2 and 2. Difference of perfect squares has different signs. And there we go. Simple. And now let's solve some equations by factoring, okay? So now we're going a step further because now you have an equal sign. So we need to take these equations, and the first thing you do is make it say equals 0. 14 does not say equals 0. The positive x squared is on the left, so let's move 16x and 12. By subtracting them, I'm going to move them to this side. They will not combine with anything, so all you get is 3x squared minus 16x minus 12, and those cancel, equals 0. Now we look for a common factor because of the 3, greatest common factor. 3, 16, 12, no! 3 does not go into 16. X squared, x, no x, no! There is none. AC method. The other method's simple, so I'm really getting you good at AC. 3 times negative 12 is negative 36. That's my new number. B is negative 16. 1 and 36, 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, 5, no, 6 and 6. It is negative, so it's either plus minus or minus plus. We look at our B. Our B is negative, so we want the bigger numbers to be negative. What do we get here? So we get negative 35, negative 16. Oh, there it is. I'm done. That's what I want. AC method, though. X and X. And I'm gonna come over here. I'll do this problem on the side. So we have 3x squared. We break the middle term up into 2x minus 18x, and then minus 12 comes at the end. And we look at the first two and the second two terms. 3x squared plus 2x share an x. 3x plus 2. Bring down that minus sign. 18 and 12, you can divide by 6. And now when you divide by negative 6, makes these signs positive. 3x plus 2. 18 divided by 6 is 3. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Here's that common factor of 3x plus 2. Pull it way out in front. Your second parenthesis is x minus 6. And now don't forget, this says equals 0. So set each one equal to 0 and solve. The first one we're going to subtract 2. So 3x equals negative 2 and divide by 3. And you get x is negative 2/3. If you want to do the decimal, that's fine. For the second one, we add 6. X equals 6. I'm going to slide over here for the last problem. 6x squared plus 4x equals 0. This is already set equal to 0, so that's good. We have two terms, so let's look for a common factor. 6 and 4 are both divisible by 2. And x squared and x, I see x twice, so there's an x. So we have a common factor of 2x. We're going to pull out an x. So what does that leave us with? 3x plus 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. One of the x's goes away. 4 divided by 2 is 2. This x goes away. This is factored. X, no more x squared. So now we set 2x equal to 0 and 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Divide by 2. X is 0. Subtract 2. Divide by 3. And there we go. Okay, so again, sorry for the two videos. Thanks for watching. Bring it for your bonus points, and we'll see you on